In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scroll to tap on additional settings. Then select one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Finally, follow all of those instructions. To use it, swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. And as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!